Yes, my friend. My back was playing up a bit earlier, but it is easing now. How is everything with you? I am sorry to hear that. What is wrong, my friend? Let's see. When I was very young, Fergus buried me in the garden. My mother found me with my head sticking out of the ground. She said at first she thought I was a blue cabbage. Anyway, Fergus strolled over with a bucket and started to water me. "What are you doing?" said my mother. Fergus looked up at her and replied, "I am helping him grow. I want a bigger brother." My mother told us our method would only enlarge my head and suggested Fergus dig me out in a hurry. He ignored her advice. If my head is a little big, now you know why. I know, but it is still fun to think about. Childhood is crazy. Sometimes I wonder how I survived it. Of course. Remember, I am always here if you want to talk. I am so proud that we ended Alduin together. I almost wish he would return so we could do it again. We were pretty amazing. Okay, talk to you later.
Welcome to the Retching Netch corner. The mine's open, people are buying drinks, and I'm making money again. Just like old times. The finest sujama. In fact, I've just added some new ingredients to the mixture that I think makes it taste better than ever. All I need to do is get the word out that it's ready, and they'll flock here for it. I was kinda hoping you'd say that. Here, take these samples of the sujama and spread the word. If you get rid of all of them, there's something extra in it for you.